One of the questions that we always get is, why are we different in terms of a doctor's office or a clinic than other clinics out there? And I will say the number one reason that we're different is because of our philosophy and the way we look at patient care. We want, number one, care to be individualized, and number one, most importantly, and number two, we want to make sure that we're looking at the body as a whole and that the body is wonderfully and powerfully made, and it's made to heal itself. And so our approach is to figure out what stressors there are in your life, what is it that's causing inflammation in your body, which in return is leading to symptoms that you're dealing with, and how can we remove those stressors? How can we make your body more stronger or resilient to stress, and then get your body to where it's now healing itself? So if you're someone with digestive problems, I don't want to give you some sort of supplement just for digestion or even a medication for digestive problems. I want to find out why you have digestive problems. What's actually happening in your gut? What's going on with your nervous system that controls a lot of your digestion? How can we start to approach it to where we're getting your body back into balance and back into homeostasis and restoring your health, not just covering up symptoms? So I would say the number one difference in Queen City Health Center and what we do is that right there, and that we've joined up with the Wellness Way, and we are Wellness Way doctors, meaning we do every testing you can, all the testing you can think of, but we look at it differently. It's a different approach in terms of how we view this, what's happening in your body, and the philosophy by which we're actually creating a plan for you. And those plans are individualized. So we don't have one plan that fits all. It's based on what your testing says, based on what your exam says, and based on what your experience in your past, in your history, and what goals you actually have. So we put that together, create a program for you to get you not only out of pain, but healthy. And then after that, we talk to you about how do you take care of that on a long timeline and go into wellness and make sure that you have real, true wellness care for the rest of your life for you, but also for your family. And we don't base it just on symptoms, but the fact that you need to be constantly working towards a better, healthy life in the world we live in today. So that's how we are different. And that's the number one question people give us is, how are you different? And that's it right there. So make sure you check us out and see how we can help and serve you.